Afternoon, dear parents and grandparents of this beautiful day of March. It is a pleasure to flag off this blessing occasion with a warm welcome to one and all. Today is one of the most incredible days for us, but we have gathered here to showcase our talents amidst you. That important day of our school life, indeed. Yes, it is the annual day and the time to share with you all that we have accomplished during this year. The academic session 2023-24 is about to conclude and the new one is knocking at the door. It's also the time to celebrate and enjoy our achievements together. But before we proceed, our friends are here to brief us about our school song. An alma mater song is an official song or hymn of any school, college or university which unifies and amalgamates the ethos and vision of any organization or institution. We as students take pride in singing our school song and feel heartened and inspired while we do so. Uttare Janman Jai Angan Gyan Kiran Uttare is the Takshila song which is also deliberated as the school song for all Takshila schools. PPS Patna, Pune, Ludhiana and Coimbatore. Here is the choir of class 1 who is eager to resonate before you. Takshila Gan. Let us enjoy and experience the impact of the song's message and spirit. cultures of our country renewed and alive. Because not only they represent our history, but also pronounce the traditional culture and values of the people living in that realm. It's time now to fasten your seatbelts and hold your breath as my friends are going to present before you a combination of poise and splendor, presenting before you an exquisite spectacle of our traditional dance form, which will certainly sway our hearts away. We wish to apprise you all about the diverse Sapna are eager to stage a mesmerizing show, Jashn-e-Bachpan. We are sure that our performances will definitely fill your heart with enduring moments of merriment and goodness. Before we raise the curtain for the play, we would like to talk about another theme of session, 2023-24 climate change. This change refers to long-term changes in the average weather patterns resulting to the final Earth's climate. This includes shifts in temperature, precipitation, and other atmospheric conditions. The primary driver of recent climate change is believed to be human activities, particularly release of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Human activities like burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industry process are significantly increased the concentration of these gases, enhancing the natural greenhouse effect. Climate change is a global challenge that requires international cooperation. Agreements like the Paris Agreement and the recent G20 meeting aim to unite the countries in their effort to limit global warming and adapt to its effects. Addressing climate change is a complex and urgent task that involves the collective efforts of individuals, communities, governments, and industries worldwide. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions, transitioning to sustainable energy sources, and adopting resilient practices are crucial steps in combating the impact of climate change. Now it's time to share with you our class report. Each day is new and so is the day spent in school. Class assembly, activity drills, music, dance, art, STEAM, ICT, HP periods keep us on our toes the entire day. Evacuation and safety drills conducted in school at regular intervals train us to remain calm and alert in case of natural disasters and other emergencies. Major co-curricular activities are the most awaited events every month. As we could come to school in our casual clothes, seasons like I Love My India, Helping Hands, Fun and Frolic, Bal Sangam, and Stay Fit are some of those activities which are simply unforgettable and will be cherished all through our life. All these activities have been a great support in structuring our thinking and speaking skills. Activities involving art and craft helped us to express our imagination in the most creative manner, and the well-designed language activities guided us to interconnect, comprehend, and communicate effectively. And today we stand here to present before you this report undoubtedly affirms and reassures our credentials. Books create warm emotional bonds between kids and adults when they read books together. The annual function of this year is once again based on our read books. The impact of these lovely books will remain embedded in our minds for a long time. It was not only about reading books, but we have also done interesting activities related to our monthly read program book, which have stimulated the curiosity in us for reading.
This play is a beautiful combination of four stories. Kissu Hathi, a home of our own, Leela's Loose Tooth, and the Theatre of Ghosts, which will be enacted by my friends of class 1. This play is a small endeavor by us to exhibit our flair and passion for reading.
The first story is about another named Kissu Hathi, who loves to tell stories. He calls all that one by one to tell stories, but all rejected. Finally, he discovers there was an ant who was always interested with stories. That ant introduces Kissu Hathi to his family of friends. He then tells the stories to them that unfold in the form of drama. So let us all plunge into the fun and get set to witness what happens next. In the book, a hope of our own, Snehri and her friends decide to play house. So they put together some old plates and bowls, empty packets of chips, plastic bottles, and broken helmet. Things they have collected going about their work in the city, on which is they live. He becomes disappointed and they run to take refuge in an abandoned car. All the children in Leela's class are beginning to lose their teeth and have exciting stories to tell. One bird is in the ground for the mouse to pick. Another got a shiny coin from the tooth fairy. Leela waits impatiently for her tooth to wiggle. One day, her tooth starts shaking. She plays with it. She sneezed and her tooth fell out. She looked for it everywhere but could not find it. At last, a man showed her little brother's mouth with a tiny little tooth. Leela was happy to see it. The theatre of Ghosts is a story where two girls plan to witness a play and to reach the spot. They are supposed to cross a jungle. They depart from their house and get scared because one of their friends did a prank by wearing a scary mask. When they realize it, all three move ahead and get scared again. This time, another two friends were waiting for them. Finally, the kids cross the jungle amidst darkness and hence they get alarm on the sight of shadows, thinking them to be ghosts. Soon they understand that they are just shadows and they reach their destination to witness the play of War of Tar. They enjoy the show and plan to return the next day to witness another play related to Narsin of Tar. Now, without further delay, we would like to present before you Bachpan. कैसे हो मगर भाइयों? क्या कर रहे हो? तुम्हारे आने से पहले तो बच्चे ही थे। धूप सेक रहे हो। धूप सेकना तो बड़ी अच्छी बात है। मैं तुम्हें किस्सा सुनाता हूँ। जब मैं ठंड की सुबह धूप सेक रहा था, हमें चुपचाप धूप सेकने दो। कैसे हो हीरामन? सुना है कि तुम इंसानों के बस्ती में गए। गया नहीं था, भटक कर चला गया था। क्या क्या देखा वहाँ? वहाँ बस मैंने इंसानों को देखा। घरों में इंसान, सड़कों पर इंसान, यहाँ देखो वही इंसान। एक तो मेरे पीछे ही पड़ गया। अच्छा हुआ कि तुम उनके हाथ में आए, नहीं तो वह तुम्हें पिंजरे में बंद। ऐसा क्यों करते हैं वे इंसान? नहीं जानता, हमें कैद करने में क्या मजा।
क्या तुम लोग मेरी कहानी सुनोगे?
क्या तुम भी इंसानों के बस्ती में गए थे? नहीं, मैं तो नहीं गया, लेकिन मेरी एक चचेरी बहन बोल रही थी कि उसे किसी इंसान ने कैद कर लिया था। फिर क्या हुआ? एक दिन पिंजरे का दरवाजा खुला रह गया और वह उड़कर भाग गई। तब से वो भूल कर भी बस्ती की ओर नहीं उड़ती।
मैं भी इंसानों की बहुत सी कहानियां जानता हूँ। तुम लोग चाहो तो तुम्हें सुना सकता हूँ।
एक बार मिट्ठू तोता भी बस्ती की ओर गया था, फिर कभी लौट के वापस नहीं आया। मिट्ठू ही नहीं, कई तोते बस्ती से लौटकर नहीं आते। अब चलो कुछ खा ले। मैंने एक बड़ा अच्छा पेड़ देखा है, उसमें बहुत से कीड़े हैं। चलो वहीं चलते हैं। चलो चलो चलो। टिप्सू, मेरी बात सुनो। यह तो सुनता ही नहीं। मुझे इसने दांत काट चिल्लाना चाहिए। टिप्सू, टिप्सू हाथी, सुनते हो? यह भी नहीं सुनता। यह तो सुनता ही नहीं। सुनोगे या फिर मैं तुम्हारे बड़े से कान में चोटी काटूं? चलो काट। यह किसने काटा? कोई सांप तो नहीं? यह सांप नहीं, मैं हूँ। मैं तुम्हें सुबह से आवाज दे रही, सुन क्यों नहीं रहे हो? लगता है तुम्हारे कान में मैं जमा हो गई है क्या? मुझे किसी की आवाज सुनाई दे रही है। तुम कौन हो? कहाँ से बोल रही हो? यह मेरी आवाज है। मैं एक चींटी हूँ जो तुम्हारे दांत के पास खड़ा हूँ। मैं सारे दिन तुम्हारी कहानियाँ सुनता रहता हूँ। मुझे तो यह पता ही नहीं था। मैंने तुम्हें 1000 बार पुकारा पर तुमने सुना ही नहीं। अब मैं सुन रहा हूँ। बोलो, क्या बोलना चाहती हो चींटी रानी? मैं तुमसे कहना चाह रही थी कि एक जगह है जहाँ तुम अपने किस्से सुना सकते हो। सच? वह कौन सी जगह है? चलो, मैं तुम्हें ले चलती हूँ। ले तो मैं तुम्हें जाऊँगा, बस तुम रास्ता बताती जाओ। तो फिर ठीक है, आगे बढ़ो। यह कहाँ गए? यहाँ तो कोई भी दिखाई नहीं दे रहा। घबराओ मत किट्टू भाई, अभी दिखेगा। साथ में आओ, बाहर आओ। देखो मैं किसे लेके आई हूँ। अरे वाह, यह तो किस्सू आती है। यह किस्से सुनाता है। ठीक कहा। अब तो हमें बहुत मजा आएगा। हम भी इससे किस्से सुनेंगे। क्या तुम सब मुझे पहचानते हो? हाँ किस्सू भाई, हमें चींटी रानी ने तुम्हारे बारे में बताया था। हम कब से आपकी कहानियाँ सुनना चाहते हैं। मुझे ये जानकर खुशी हुई। बोलो, कौन सी कहानी सुनाओ? हमें इंसानों की कहानी सुनाओ किस्सू भाई। इंसानों की कहानी? तो ठीक है, तो चलो। So your 7 friends who always lend a hand plants in her garden. Do you know they have a huge garden? A boy also lives in that house. He is an 8, but I wonder why doesn't he play in that garden?
Yes, I've seen him too. He looks very sad. Maybe he has no friends to play with. Shall you go and find out?
Yes! We went to the huge house and saw a boy sitting alone in the garden, and he looked sad. There he is. Hello, what is your name? Why are you so sad? Hi, my name is Manohar. I am sad because I don't have any pets to play with. I only have these toys. Wow! Look at these! Who needs friends when one has such nice toys to play with? Right, but it's fun to play alone. So you will be my friend. Yes! We can be friends. I am Subeli and these are my friends. Come on, let's play. Great! What do you want to play? We would love to play with you, but we are sorry. We need to go to work now. Forget the work. Let's play house house. Sounds good. I will be the child and you will be the father. Wait, friends. We need to set up a home first.
setting up their home.
It's been a long day, but I'm still excited because we're going to set up a house which we can call our own. Woo! So let us begin. Let me show you what I have got. I have got some friends at the holiday. They got a hammock that I found you leather on, but I need them to leather plate. Wow, so creative. Where did you get this from? I got it from here I was. I have also brought him. Close it down. Look, there's empty bucket. It continues as a chair.
Ha ha! But your chair is incomplete without my table. I have got tires which can be stacked and be used as a table.
Where did you get it from?
I got it from the garage where I was.
I have also brought an empty cardboard box for our house. How will we use this cardboard? These cardboard can become a TV or will watch our favorite shows. Oh, great! And we can also have chips by watching our favorite show. See, I have brought packet of chips and empty bottle which I found outside the railway station. Oh, you all have brought so many things for a new home. But I was unable to get something useful as I was busy selling flowers. But none of them got sold. Don't worry, my friend. We can use these flowers for decoration. Oh, really? That would be great. As same flowers could not be sold tomorrow. Look, we have our first guest today. He is director of the art for about you? Did you complete your project on salad? Not exactly, Ramona. But tomorrow is the last day to submit. Yes, I do remember about it. Don't worry, I'm going about to Rima's loose tooth. It seems to have fallen off. Yes, it did. What a relief. Rima, what did you do with your loose tooth? I put it near the rat. So the rat will take it. When my new tooth will come out, it will be as fast in a mouse. Oh, really? Yes, my grandmother told me to do so. That sounds interesting. Raja, where did you keep it, your loose tooth? I put it under my pillow so that Tooth Fairy can take it. Tooth Fairy take its stitch and grant a wish in return. Raja, do you believe in these things? Yes, I do. It did happen for my elder brother. Well, I don't believe in fairies and magic. What did you do with your broken tooth, Rohan? I threw it on the roof of my house. The sparrow will take it and my new teeth will grow. Ha 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 ha. So funny, Rohan. A sparrow will take his tooth. How strange. Why would the sparrow take his tooth? Yes, it will do. So my auntie told me that will help in getting a new tooth very fast. Let us go now, friends. It's time for our class. Yes, let's go to our class. Else we will be late. Let's go. Oh, my little girl is back home. How was your day, Leela? It was okay. You are looking very sad. Tell me, dear, what's the matter? Everyone else in my class has a loose tooth, except for me. When will my tooth is shaking, Mom? It will happen. Leela, certainly birthday, you wait and see. No, Mama, I have been waiting since so long. All my friends have a loose tooth, or at least it is shaking. Listen, Leela, stop crying. Everything takes place on its own time. You take my words very soon. You will have a loose tooth. Really, Mommy? Yes, Leela. Now you go and get ready to eat your favorite snack. Okay, Mama. I Leela lost her loose tooth. She lost her very first tooth. Lovely Leela lost her loose tooth. She lost her very first tooth. Her tooth was born in her brother's mouth. It was very tiny and shiny one. Her tooth was born in her brother's mouth. It was very tiny and shiny one. Leela was dancing happily. She was full of joy and giggling. Leela was dancing happily. She was full of joy and giggling. Lovely Leela lost her loose tooth. She lost her very first tooth. She was thoughtful where would the tooth go? With bright or pretty tooth fairy oh. She was thoughtful where would the tooth go? With bright or pretty tooth fairy oh. She was restless and tooth was hopping up, but the tooth to the brother's mouth. She was restless and tooth was hopping up, but the tooth to the brother's mouth. Lovely Leela lost her loose tooth. She lost her very first tooth. Lovely Leela lost her loose tooth. She lost her very first tooth. Her tooth was born in her brother's mouth. It was very tiny and shiny one. Her tooth was born in her brother's mouth. It was very tiny and shiny one. Leela was dancing happily. She was full of joy and giggling. Leela was dancing happily. She was full of joy and giggling. Lovely Leela lost her loose tooth. She lost her very first tooth. फिर क्या हुआ कि सो इंसान हंसते क्यों है किंतु
क्योंकि इंसान जब खुश होते हैं तो हंसते हैं और जब दुखी होते हैं तो रोते हैं।
इंसान भी कितने अजीब होते हैं। मैं तो हमेशा ही हंसता। यहाँ कैसी आवाज आ रही है? लगता है कोई आ रहा है।
हम भी कहानी सुनना चाहते हैं किस्सू, तुम्हारे बिना बड़ी बोरियत हो रही है। तो हमने सोचा हम भी तुम्हारी कहानी सुन लें।
लेकिन कल तक तो तुम लोग इसकी कहानी सुनना नहीं चाहते थे।
लेकिन अब हम सुनना चाहते हैं। तो ऐसा है तो बोलो कैसी कहानी सुनना चाहते हो?
तो हमें डरावनी कहानी सुनाओ।
ठीक है, चलो सुनाता हूँ। सुनो सुनाता हूँ तुमको कहानी। एक थी गुड़िया और एक थी रानी, पंखियों में भी।
Mummy, can we go to the theater?
Are you not?
Yes, we are leaving now.
Be careful while crossing the bridge and don't run.
Don't worry, Auntie. We will be careful. Can we leave now?
Yes, you may leave, but remember not to wander here and then and come back soon.
Okay, Mummy. Come on now. Let's go. We are getting late. our principal to enlighten us with suggestions. So please.
I'm sure that is you know very well what I'm waiting for. A big round of applause for all the class 1 students, those who have made this possible. Sang near about 12 to 15 songs. The member of the choir group, Adya Prakash, Lavanya, Ishan, Didisha, Mishti, Shanvika Chaudhary, तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए। सनातनी वर्मा, गायत्री, अद्वय, प्रणवी, तनिषा, मिशिका, माही, वंशिका, वन्या, अमयरा, इशिता, तेजस्विता, अवंतिका. Then we have Aryesh Mukherjee, Avya and Anika Kamali. Thank you very much. I request each one of you to please raise for the national anthem.